So, it is Rough In Plumbing weekend, hopefully. After countless hours of watching Rough In Plumbing YouTube videos.
Thanks, fellow YouTubers.
A call to the plumbing inspector, a couple of calls to a neighbor that owns a plumbing company. We kind of think we know what we're doing. Lake Hill is back. It is the first day of fall. It is the first day of fall. So here comes the rainy season. We had all of our lines up. We had all of our lines painted. Our string lines were up. Then it rained. So Charlie's been out this morning trying to get everything lined out. So the white lines represent our walls, and the orange dots and the orange is where we're going to have our sinks and our toilets. So this is the half bath. So we'll have a sink and a toilet in there. And this is our laundry, where we'll have a washing machine and a sink. And then our master bathroom, which will of course have the shower drain and it's the sink and the toilet. And then the kitchen over there with just the sink. So Charlie's gonna we did borrow our wonderful neighbor, the same neighbor who we hauled water from for the last upteen zillion years, it seems like.
Thanks, Joe.
We borrowed his excavator. So I mean, we've been able to do so much of our work with the backhoe, but this is going to require a little bit more smaller trench, and so the smaller bucket is going to be nice. But yeah, here goes nothing.
Well, Sarah's going to learn how to run the bucket part of the backhoe today.
Whether I want to or not.
She's going to make a great hoe hand. We'll teach her everything we know, which isn't much.
I'm excited.
I'll go that way a little bit. Go forward. So now just go out there and turn and put yourself, or go in this one. You can go in this one.
Oh, you don't want to go in this one?
It doesn't matter. You just got to get yourself turn so you're headed with the bucket facing north. Whatever you do, don't run over those two orange stakes.
I know. So how do I turn around in here?
However you want to turn around in here. Okay, so now go ahead and put your bucket down. Push forward. Push away to go down, pull back to go up.
All the way down, or?
Well, that's good. Now pull your bucket, curl your bucket up.
How do I do that?
Pull it to you. Go more. Just drive right in the kitchen. Just go in the kitchen, dear. Okay, that's probably pretty close right there. You might turn yourself that way just a little bit. There. Now go ahead and put your bucket all the way down. Leave it curled up. Okay. Now curl, make sure your bucket's curled all the way up. Yep. Okay. Set your park brake. Turn the key off. There. Was that scary? Was that scary? How was that?
That wasn't too bad. So,
Wasn't too bad, was it?
it was
Okay. All right. Well, here we go.
The orange represents our drain line.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down. 'Cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Nothing's gonna hold us down. 'Cause we are taking off the ground now.
Yeah, Pina?
I think so.
Okay. Now what do I do?
Lift your bucket up a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, now push it away from you. No, push it.
That way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, raise your bucket up a little bit. Up. Put yourself in reverse. Backing up. Going for another load.
Maybe I wasn't ready for that yet.
Give yourself a little gas. It ain't that scary, is it?
I don't know. Don't fall out. Charles, get back in
We
here.
gotta do what we gotta do to get the shot.
Get back in here.
Now curl your bucket up and put it down, and then either take it.
Okay, curl it up
Uh-huh.
and then take it down.
Yeah.
Like how far curl up?
All the way.
All the way?
Because we're gonna load it when we get in there. There. So there's a mechanism on the built into the system that as you go up, it takes some of the curl out of it. So the material, if you had a full bucket, wouldn't fall over the back. So when you get back in there, now watch the wall.
I know, I'm trying to. In?
You are now. You're in the shop, headed to the kitchen.
Okay, where do you want me to park it?
Not quite as far as we were last time.
Okay, bucket down.
Yeah, go ahead and go down. And then curl it. There you are. Yep.
Yeah.
You set on a rock.
Ah, okay.
Why don't you back? Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, park brake.
Yeah, park brake. Put yourself in neutral. There you are.
E.
Key.
Alright.
All right.
Okay.
Repeat.
Repeat. Don't tell Charlie. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I think the scariest part is just coming out the doors. Not to mention all the water slushing around in the bucket behind me. I won't go nearly as fast as the boys go.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems
Thanks for
small.
watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.